Hello students, this is a class for BA Part First, English Literature. We will be studying a literary term called simile. I am Dr. Anil Dadhij, your English teacher. Simile is actually a literary term, and there is a critic, Malcolm Hicks. He writes in his book Literary Criticism, and he says about simile that simile is a comparison of one thing with another. Simile is a comparison of one thing with another where, unlike metaphor की तरह नहीं, the connection is clearly indicated by the use of words like or as. एक्चुअली सिमिली में like और as ये दो वर्ड्स important है. They are used. A simple example is Burns. Burns is actually a poet. His poem, "Oh, my love is like a red, red rose." Here you see the word like is given. So, my love is compared with a red, red rose. Right. A deeper simile could be seen in the following extract from Wordsworth's poem, Ode, Intimations of Immortality. You may read in your second year uh, English literature. This ode is very famous. And what is the line in the poem? And custom lie upon thee with a weight. Custom आप समझते हैं. तो custom lie upon you with a weight. जैसे कोई बोझ हो ऐसे. तो you see हैवी एज फ्रोस्ट एंड डीप ऑलमोस्ट एज लाइफ. आप देखिए ऊपर अपन ने कंपैरिजन किया लाइक वर्ड से. यहाँ पे इन दिस एक्सट्रैक्ट वी कंपेयर द कंपैरेटिव वर्ड्स आर एज. तो कस्टम इज कंपेयर्ड विद ए वेट एंड हैवी एज फ्रोस्ट. फ्रोस्ट कहते हैं बर्फ को. तो इतना हैवी जितनी बर्फ होती है, बर्फ क्या जमा देती है. तो कस्टम इज कंपेयर्ड विद ए वेट ऑफ फ्रोस्ट and the aspect is heaviness of frost and deep almost as life. and custom का जो weight है वो कैसा है, deep almost as life. तो as life आ गया तो comparison किससे है, weight of life से है. It specifies the aspects in which custom is similar to frost is heavy, and to life is deep. The poet has already cleared it, but the comparison is made with the word as in this extract. Okay? It is one of the figures of speech. Figures of speech अलंकार को कहते हैं, which decorates the theme of a poem or prose. So it is one of the figures of speech in literature intended by the writer to ornament or decorate his composition. But since it denotes comparison, we should not misunderstand its application. For example, Tom is as ugly as Bill is a simple comparison. Although the words used here are as. Tom is as ugly as Bill. So as is there. So comparative words are there, but still it is a simple comparison. It will not be called a simile. But Tom is as ugly as sin. टॉम इतना अगली है जितना पाप होता है. तो इट बिकम्स ए सिमिली. ओके, सो इट्स ए लिटरेरी टर्म एंड यू विल हैव टू find out when you will be reading poems, prose, drama, and other literary pieces. You have to note down the examples of simile. Okay, and how will you note down the examples of simile? When a comparison is sought with the help of words like or as. like और as लगा करके जब comparison किया जाए तो you have to be very careful, you have to be alert, and you have to map it whether it is a simile or a simple comparison. That's it. So This is very important, you can say, literary term, and this is actually a basic literary term. Literary terms में फिगर ऑफ स्पीच जो होते हैं उसमें दिस इज एक्चुअली ए सेंस डिवाइस। इसमें सेंस को ब्यूटिफाई किया जाता है। आप जो कुछ लिखते हैं उसमें उसका जो सेंस है दैट इज डेकोरेटेड, ऑर्नामेंटेड और ब्यूटिफाइड। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।